Hello guys, in today's video we can talk about oarfish, a creature nicknamed Doomsday Fish. Because of its place in a folklore as a precursor to disaster, it was captured on a video this month after it was seen in shallow waters in Baja California along Mexico Pacific coast. A group of people who were visiting the area spotted the fish swimming near a beach in early February. Oarfish it have an eel-like slender body and gaping mouth, but the sea monster-like creature it have rarely been seen alive by people. As of August, only about 20 oarfish sightings they have been recorded along the coast of California since 1901, according to the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, though one washed up in the state as recently as November. In Japanese mythology, oarfish they are viewed as harbingers of doom, signaling impending earthquake. The legends state that if you see an oarfish, it is a warning sign from high powers that disasters such as earthquake they are soon to occur. As I said earlier, in Japan 2011 earthquake, one of the most catastrophic history, a total of 20 oarfish it washed ashore. While many legends it may surrounds this creature, it is unusual for human to encounter the oarfish. They primarily reside within the deep sea, so if one is spotted close to the surface, it typically indicates that the creature is sick, dying, or at least disorientated. Setting aside what we currently know about oarfish and the lore surrounding the species, it's crucial to remember the current knowledge of oarfish behavior and their conservation status is limited. While this is unsurprisingly given that they thrive in one of the most unexplored areas of our ocean, it doesn't mean we can't still work to protect them. Scientists are learning more each day about the ever-growing plastic pollution crisis and its detrimental impact on all marine ecosystem, including the deep sea. The full implication of this crisis may not be completely understood yet, but what has never been clear is that we must take action. Fortunately, we know where to begin when it comes to solving this problem. We must make less plastic. Like all our ocean species, the ability for deep sea animals like oarfish to live in a safe, trash-free habitat depends on whether or not we decided to take action.